Good morning, children. Today I'll tell you second chapter, Mix Up at Birth. This story has been taken from an autobiography of Sunil Gavaskar. Before going through the story, I'll tell you some famous picture of famous sportsmen of India. Look at the picture. Number 1, he is Narayan Kartike, racing driver. Number 2, she is P.T. Usha. She is an athlete. Number 3, Sunil Gavaskar, famous cricketer. Number 4, Vishwanathan Anand, chess grandmaster. How different would your life have been if you were born in a different family, say in a different state or a different country? Read to find out what happened when Sunil Gavaskar got mixed up at birth. Now I tell you the story, Mix Up at Birth. I am reading. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not come into my life the day I was born. And here written the day, July 10, 1949. Means मैं एक फेमस क्रिकेटर नहीं बन पाता और ये स्टोरी भी नहीं लिखी जाती यदि मेरे अंकल मिस्टर नारायण मासुबेकर मेरे बर्थडे में, मेरे जन्मदिन के दिन नहीं आए हुए होते. इट सेम्स डैट नन काका एज आई कॉल हिम. सुनील गवास्कर उन्हें नन काका बुलाया करते थे. Who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left earlobe. उन्होंने नोटिस किया हॉस्पिटल में कि मेरे ईयर लॉब में यानी कान के निचले हिस्से में सॉफ्ट वाले भाग में एक होल था. द नेक्स्ट डे ही केम अगेन and picked up the baby lying in the crib. Crib means पालना. Next day वो next day वो फिर आते हैं और वो देखते हैं उन्होंने बच्चे को पालने से उठा लेते हैं जो अपने मदर के पास थी. To his utter horror, और वो बहुत ही परेशान हो जाते हैं. He discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. नेक्स्ट डे वो देखते हैं और परेशान हो जाते हैं कि उन्होंने बेबी के लेफ्ट ईयर लोब में वो होल नहीं था. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisher woman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. जो होल थी वो बेबी को बाथ देने के क्रम में वो मिक्स हो गई थी. Full to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. मैं अपने अंकल के प्रति ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि उन्होंने नोटिस किया था उस होल को और वो बहुत ही आश्चर्यचकित थे. यदि उस नेचर ने मेरे उस होल को नहीं मार्क किए होते, आई वुड हैव ग्रोन अप टू बी अ फिशरमैन वर्किंग समवेयर अलोंग द वेस्ट कोस्ट. हो सकता है मैं एक फिशरमैन की तरह कहीं पे वर्क कर रहा होता along the west coast. And what about the baby who for a spell took my place? I don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. This is the extract from Sunny Days by Sunil Gavaskar. So you have to find out all the difficult words and write their meaning. In next class, I'll tell you the different word meanings. Thank you.